Oh boy, oh boy.
Hello?
Hello?
All right. It's on you.
Good morning. Please mute your phones. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Also, if you have a do-rag on, please remove it. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Bienvenidos a todos a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos que por favor mantengan sus dispositivos silenciados hasta que llamen a su caso. No se permite que estén ni manejando, ni que estén bebiendo, tomando, fumando o comiendo. Pedimos que por favor tampoco estén manejando, que estén vestidos de una manera adecuadamente para la corte, respetuosamente, y que no tengan la cabeza tapada a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Gracias.
Señora Evelyn, una pregunta, duda. Aquí la pantalla donde dice Diana Franco es la señora Dana Gómez. Ella está presente.
Ms. Evelyn, I want to let you know that here on the screen it does not say Dana Gómez, but she is present. ¿Qué nombre dice?
Diana Franco?
It says Diana Franco, but that is not who is appearing for court today. It's Dana Gómez.
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Franco and Ms. Gomez.
Hi, good morning, Judge Perkins.
Buenos días a ustedes, señora Franco. Y señora Gómez.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
I do not see Donna Gomez. Oh, I do. Gomez Mendoza.
Yes.
Gomez
Mendoza, ¿verdad? Gómez
Sí,
Mendoza.
sí, Gómez
Okay.
Mendoza.
Yes, Gómez Mendoza.
All right. All righty. Well, that was. All right, let's get going here. I'm going to start off. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to start off by saying that I am going to try to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Como juez voy a tratar de llamar los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También voy a llamar los casos en el orden que se presentaron esta mañana.
Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. It's Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit. This is Jacqueline Lopez Rosales, case numbers SP 184-7285, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jacqueline López Rosales, números de caso SP 1847285, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Soy Elwood Berry, representando a la acusada. Usted, señora, díganos su nombre.
I'm sorry, Judge. Mr. Oni said his phone is about to die, so he went to the phone and get another phone.
Jacqueline Lopez Rosales, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jacqueline López Rosales. ¿Puede usted, por favor, decirnos su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Jacqueline López Rosales.
Jacqueline López Rosales.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señora, es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. El señor Berry va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. La vamos a pasar virtualmente a una sala de espera privada para que pueda hablar con el abogado. Por favor, apriete donde dice join o unirse para que pueda pasar virtualmente.
Let's pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Alana Lomax, case SP 141-79601, SP 182-95371. Can you run a license, please? Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May I please this honorable court, Chair Erica Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Ms. Lomax. Please state your name for the record.
Alana Lomax.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lomax. Today is
Good
set
morning.
for a pre-trial. Ms. Lomax, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
And
All right, this is the, hold on, who's making this?
Please place your phone on mute.
This is the City of Detroit versus Charles Goodman, case number SP 1713048, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, PA 8615, here on behalf of Charles Goodman. Mr. Goodman, please say your name.
Hi, good morning, Charles Goodman.
Morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Am I correct to understand that the city is willing to dismiss all matters?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
All right, case dismissed per city attorney. Mr. Goodman, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, and you as well, Counselor, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you,
You
Judge.
too, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good one.
You as well. Mr. Basant, good morning to you. What's your client's name?
Good morning, Your Honor. I was just retained in on a Dion Lyons, Lyons. It's set for a review hearing. But Mr. Lyons was just placed in custody in the Washington County Jail as of yesterday, so he won't be present today. And so I'm asking if we could possibly adjourn this matter for his presence, Your Honor.
Well, I don't think we need his presence. City of Detroit versus Dion Lyons, case number SP 179-38831. Appearance for the record, please.
And again, Your Honor, Attorney Kevin Basant, P 71061 on behalf of Mr. Dion Lyons. Now that's his presence we waive for the purposes of today's hearing.
All right, based on your representation off the record indicating that he's in the custody of the Macomb County Jail, I will waive his presence. And I believe this is just going to be a dismissal. Let me make sure I get the file and read it correctly. He absorbed to pay $240. I see that he paid. Let me see what it reads. Excuse me. I'm just gonna dismiss the case. This is just a transfer of marijuana and he's paid his fine. I'm gonna dismiss the case.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, counselor, and have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, probation officer Green. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you here on Grayson?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus
Cortasia.
Tasia Grayson. I was gonna get it right, Miss Grayson. The city of Detroit versus Cortasia Grayson. Case number Z 8095791. Appearance for the record, please.
Lisa Green, probation officer for the probation department.
All right, good morning to you, Miss Green and Miss Grayson. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Cortasia Grayson.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for review. You can give us an update, Miss Green.
Okay, Miss Grayson still has a balance of $730. She still has to complete the alcohol highway safety class and choices class. She has completed the VIP class, victims impact panel, and viewed the consequences video. She has been testing negative for alcohol, but positive for THC. I don't have a valid medical marijuana card on file, Your Honor. And I'm glad to see Miss Grayson this morning. I've been calling her to come in and test for this month. Has your number changed, Miss Grayson?
No, my phone number is currently off, and I recently just moved out of the shelter. I've been in my house for a week now.
See, that was all supposed to have been reported to me ASAP.
I'm sorry, I haven't had a phone.
Okay.
I'm using internet, but I can call you today.
Okay. This case is a 6-month case, Your Honor, starting in August of 2025. And today was actually set for a discharge, but she still has remaining conditions.
So the one class I paid for, and money is kind of hard for me to come by. And I also, my baby ended up being sick, but I have to repay for the whole class all over, the alcohol choices class. I did pay for it, but
Ms. Grayson, you want me to tell you where you can save a little bit of money?
Yes.
Stop smoking the weed. Right?
Yeah.
I try not to make that a condition because I know it's legal. People may be, if you have medical issues, then that's a whole nother case. And I haven't gotten anything that says you need it for medical purposes, but stop smoking the weed.
Okay.
Well, you know, what are we, is just you're just prolonging this. And I'm glad first of all, I'm glad you got your housing situation straight. You were scheduled for a discharge and you still have some things to do. How long do you think it's going to take?
I just have the one class. I did all the rest of the classes.
So you have some one class. You have the money.
I just have the one class. You told me
and the money.
At the last court date.
I'm not. Let's not say I'm not worried about the money. Let's not say it like that. That's part of the condition. I wanted you to get the classes and stuff done, and I'm not gonna. It's just gonna prolong it for you if you don't get the money paid. I have 2 years of probation that I can have and hold you on. I don't want to hold you on 2 years. I want you to get this over with and get it behind you. So what are we going to do? When can you realistically give me a time frame? When can you realistically get the conditions done and taken care of?
Can be done within a month.
A month? Okay. All right. Come back on March the 20th. All right, March the 20th, and at 8:25. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
Okay, and what is my balance?
$730.
Okay.
Okay,
You
give me a
wanna
call,
change
Miss
that?
Grayson.
Okay,
Even
thank
if
you.
you need more time on the money, we can work that out. But make sure you get the other stuff done. Okay.
It's just one more class. I'm finna get it done as soon as I can.
Very well. If
Give me a
further,
call, Miss Grayson.
Okay, Miss Gray.
have a very good rest of your day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day,
All right.
everyone.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jerry, Germany. Case number SP 1817052. Says counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record. Let me state your name for the record, please. It's for review.
Jerry, Germany.
And this has been you're supposed to pay this money. You haven't paid it.
To be honest, I was waiting on my state taxes to come, and I was gonna pay it with that because I had lost my job. That's why I was gonna ask you, can I get a little bit more time? So when my refund come, I was gonna pay it with that.
When is it coming?
Within the next 2 weeks.
You come back on the 20th of March, okay?
Okay, it will be paid back before then, but okay.
And what about the gun safety course?
I'm gonna take that too. I was just waiting on some money to come.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I'll see you back on the 20th of March at 8:25. Best of luck
Okay.
to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ryan O'Neill. This is the city of Detroit versus Ryan O'Neill. Case number SP 179-18761. State your name for the record, please. Where's Ryan O'Neill? Is he still here? He's here. I don't hear him. I don't say he's unmuted. Ryan O'Neill? All right, let's pass it. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lomax. Ms. Lomax, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
Recommendation to dismiss as she paid the related civil infractions for each of those counts.
Case dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fee. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Gary Leon Gale II, case number SP 1846043, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gale, please state your name for the record.
Gary Gale.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gale, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, you join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Was there a request for appointed counsel?
No, it was not. All right. Is Ryan O'Neill there? Is Ryan O'Neill there? All right, Ryan O'Neill, I see your hand is raised, but I don't hear anything from you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lopez Rosales. Ms. Lopez Rosales, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora López Rosales. Señora Rosales, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué han decidido hacer?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to 1 to 5 miles over.
Su señoría, mi cliente ha decidido aceptar la oferta de resolución que le propuso la fiscalía. Es decir, ella se va a declarar el cargo de que iba de 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite de velocidad.
You want to take the deal? It's just 1 to 5, no limited access, correct?
Correct.
Así que es de 1 a 5 sobre el límite en una área de acceso limitado, ¿correcto? Sí, correcto.
All right, you want to take the deal, Ms. Lopez Rosales?
Y señora López Rosales, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Relate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
¿Y puede usted estipular que puedo yo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento para esta declaración de responsable?
Sí.
So
Yes.
stipulated, Your Honor.
Sí, lo estipulo, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y abogado puede estipular usted que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro asunto?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, de acuerdo, su señoría.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 over $125. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Muy bien, con esas estipulaciones encuentro que su cliente es responsable para el cargo modificado de equipo de unos 5 millas sobre el límite de velocidad. La multa es $125. ¿Para cuándo pudiera usted pagar esto, señora?
Lo más pronto posible. Podría ser hoy.
As quickly as possible. It could even be today.
All right, I'll give you until Monday to make sure it's paid. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, señora. Entonces yo le voy a permitir usted hasta el lunes
Okay.
para que alcance a pagar este monto. Las mejores maneras para pagarlo, usted puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos en la ciudad de Detroit que se llaman DivDat. Hasta puede poner el app en su teléfono para pagarlo. Y o puede venir en persona aquí a la corte para hacer su pago.
Ok, ¿tengo que pagar $125?
Okay, and I have to pay $125?
Correct.
Correcto.
En un kiosco me dijo, ¿verdad?
And you said they're kiosks, right?
Yes, those are in the Myers and the CVS's and places like that. Or you can, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone.
Sí, me han dicho a mí que estos kioscos de DivDat se pueden encontrar en las tiendas como Myers o la farmacia CVS, CVS, o hasta usted puede poner el app de DivDat en su teléfono.
DivDat.
DivDat?
Sí.
Yes.
Ok. ¿Y cómo puedo hacer para pagarlo? O sea, ¿tengo que poner el código del ticket o cómo?
And how do I go about being able to pay it? Do I have to put in a certain code or number?
You put your name in or your ticket number if you have it.
Ponga el nombre suyo o el número de la boleta de infracción si la tiene con usted.
¿Cuál es? ¿Era esta? Tengo dos, pero no sé cuál es.
And I'm wondering if it's this number. I have two numbers. I don't know which one it would be.
And it's going to be It's going to be the one ending in number 2.
Va a ser el número que termina con el número 2.
Ah, ok. Perfecto.
Okay, perfect. Your Honor, may
All
the
right.
interpreter spell DIVDAT for the defendant?
You may, DIVDAT.
Señora, DIVDAT es D de David,
Ajá.
I, V
E,
de Víctor.
D
D
de
de David,
Ajá.
I,
Ajá.
V de Víctor.
Ajá.
Entonces la segunda palabra, that, D de David,
Ajá.
A,
Ajá.
T de Tomás.
T de Tomás. Ok. Deep
Okay.
that. Ok. Muchas
Okay.
gracias.
Okay, DIVDAT. Thank you very much.
Great day, ma'am, and best of luck to you.
Que tenga muy buen día, señora, y
Muchas
buenas.
gracias a ustedes igualmente.
Thank you to all of you, and I wish you the same.
Thank you.
Gracias.
All right. I have another one, Ms. Villarreal. This is the city of Detroit versus Diana Gomez Mendoza, case number SP 184-8002, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Y llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Diana Neiruz Gómez Mendoza, número de caso SP 1848002, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, por favor.
¿Ya puedo abandonar la aplicación?
May I leave now?
Yes.
Sí.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Gomez Mendoza. State your full name, please.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando a la acusada. Usted, señora, díganos su nombre completo, por favor.
Dana Gómez.
Diana Gomez.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would
Buenos días, usted, señora. Y este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la audiencia para mostrar causa.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
Con respecto a la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio, su señoría.
We will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0.
Ms. Gomez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señora Gómez, la vamos a pasar ahora a una sala virtualmente para que pueda hablar con el señor abogado privadamente, el señor Berry. Él le va a tratar de conseguir usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta esa oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Acepte la invitación y toque donde dice join o unirse para que pueda pasar a la sala.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gale. Mr. Gale, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gale?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for March the 16th. March the 16th. That date is set to make sure that you hear from that appointed attorney. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be the appointed attorney. If you don't hear from the appointed attorney by March 16th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
There's nothing further. Best of luck to you and have a very good rest of the day.
You too, Judge.
Darnell Green, Mr. Green, your matter is set for trial. We're still going to give the officer that half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, then we'll get you in with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, then we'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Ali Ozari, case number SP 1845662, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run his license?
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Yeah, hello.
Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Ali Ozier.
Ozier, okay, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right.
The license is valid, Ms. Harris.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Mr. Soroki, good morning to you. Who's your client? Ms. Barrett, good morning to you. Who's your client? Ryan O'Neill, did you get your device together?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ryan Javon O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, can you state your name for the record, please?
Ryan O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay I see you only paid $40 and you didn't get into a payment plan.
Yeah, I was trying to make a payment today of $150, but it wouldn't let me.
All right, when are you gonna have us paid off?
I was trying to pay $150 today, but it wouldn't
when
let
are you
me.
gonna have it paid off completely?
I was trying to do it Wednesday, but my funds was kind of short. So I was just
Give me a
trying to pay
date. Mr. O'Neill, just give me a date when you want to have this all paid off completely.
Give me 2 weeks. So
2 weeks, March the 6th.
Yes, we can do that.
Yes, we can. All right, March the 6th. Come back March the 6th, and you know how to pay it. If there's nothing further, best of you. Have a very good day.
Thank you too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gomez Mendoza. Ms. Mendoza, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos ahora a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora Gómez Mendoza. Señora Mendoza, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as a valid Colombian license with English translation. We would seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me ha mostrado a mí que tiene seguro de vehículo actualizado y que tiene también una licencia del país de Colombia que está válida y está traducida al inglés.
All right, case dismissed, ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Caso desestimado, señora. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Muchas gracias.
Bye, Judge Perkins. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
We'll see you later.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, Dr. Evelyn.
Bye-bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus the Korean Hiram Lipsy, case number SP 1845831, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1865886, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Willis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lipsy.
Korean Hiram Lipsy.
Good morning to you.
Okay.
Good morning to you. Today's date and time set for a well, it's set for a pre-trial, but he got some new allegations, Mr. Berry. and whenever you're ready.
Ready, Your Honor.
Those allegations would be unsafe manner, defective brake lights, and failure to use turn signal. It says it doesn't have a date in here where he's ever set a court date. So get him an updated offer, Mr. Lipsy. Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in the breakout room when you let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Villarreal, do you want to ask anybody else? Do they need an interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor, I will. ¿Hay alguien más presente que necesite un intérprete de español?
Yexer Lagos, Avila.
Yexer Lagos Avila.
Okay. All right, City of Detroit versus John Love Jr., case number U725822225, appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Love, please state your name for the record.
John Love.
Judge, did Tayana Cox check in with the court?
I have not Tayana Cox. I have Officer Hillman here, but not Tiana Cox.
Officer Holman?
Hillman, Rebecca Hillman.
Oh, Rebecca Hillman. Let me see here. Let me see. All right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Rebecca Hillman. Yeah, 1 second.
I'll call you when I'm done.
Rebecca Hillman. Yeah, so she's a decoy. All right, very good. Yes, he's ready to take the plea, Your Honor.
All right. And what is the plea?
The plea is to disorderly conduct or reduce charge to disorderly conduct with STD testing, 6-month probation, misdemeanor morality class.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Correct.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he had.
And you understood those rights?
I understood it.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No questions, Your Honor.
And you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Taking the deal, I'm gonna get all those rights. Yes.
All right. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 25th, 2025, at around 10:45 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Norcross and Evanston. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Did you do something out there, sir, that caused the police presence?
Well, they came around at that time at night. I was in a car with someone. So I take me responsible for being in a car with a person that has
Stop you.
spoke.
Let me stop you. Let me stop you. So is that what you're saying, Mr. Soroki? If they're what was your reason to ask me for that individual's name?
Oh, that was off of the decoy's name, Your Honor. Let me talk to the defendant again, because I had talked to him last time about his plea, about the factual basis, and now I'm gonna have to go over it again with him. I'm sorry, I didn't.
Oh, and I was,
didn't-
and what I was giving him, the court rules give me the option to give you take the factual basis as charged, or take the factual basis to the amended count of disorderly conduct. I was trying to do the amended count of disorderly conduct factual basis, but you can go speak to him. You can go speak to him in the breakout room and see exactly, and have a further conversation with him. All right.
Can he plead no contest, Your Honor?
Well, that would be up to the city. Of he has to have a legal a legal reasoning behind it, or maybe lack of recollection, which I don't think that has, or some sort of
civil liability.
But just speak to him in the breakout room, and
Okay, I'll take him back. Thank you.
Rejoin the room. Number 5, it should be at the bottom of your screen down there in the more button. You should be able to rejoin the room. Okay. You see it? Well, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Ozari. I need that file, Ms. Memphis. Yeah. Ms. Harris, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. What's your client want to do?
He was able to present valid registration, and I know the court confirmed a valid license.
All right, Mr. Ozari, I'm gonna dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. Is he here?
Judge, which case is this? Ali Ozir? Is it
Ali Ozari? Yes. Where is he?
He's there, Your Honor. He was just unmuted. He just muted himself back.
Yeah, Judge, I'm over here.
Your case is dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. This is what did I get? Ledford. This is the city of Detroit. Well, Mr. Ledford, did you ever get an attorney that called you?
No, I never got an attorney to call me. I know my lawyer was James King. I got a probation officer I spoke to that I was able to continue to test him.
Call this probation officer. All right, we're gonna wait on your attorney to get here, okay? Who is your attorney?
Okay, I'm not sure. I didn't get no call about an attorney.
You never had an attorney?
No, my lawyer was James King. That's all I know.
James King. Your lawyer was James King. Did you hire James King?
Yes.
Okay, so that's your lawyer then.
Oh, okay, yes.
All right, where is he?
I'm not sure. I tried contacting him since Wednesday. I haven't heard anything from him. Is it a chance I get a chance to call him real fast and see?
Go ahead. Well, you haven't lost your spot. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Lewis, Kawan Lewis.
Here I am.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Kawan Deshaun Lewis. Case numbers SP 184-85791, SP 185, SP 185-71341. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Juan Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time that is set for a arraignment on one case. That's this afternoon, and the pretrial on the other. For the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
and will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
And no attorney has been requested. I'm going to pass the matter. Join the room when you see the prompt, please.
Yes.
All
Judge, here is some updated information for that.
right. What is it?
Officer probation and testing as ordered. Most recent test on February 18th.
Okay, very well. All right, we're just waiting on his lawyer. Mr. Rosenberg, good morning to you.
I have the wrong name up there. It should be Ernest Gardner. Good morning.
Ernest Gardner is here. Good morning to you.
Judge, I'm embarrassed about something. I didn't have this in my docket this morning. I'm not prepared. I frankly, Judge, I'm embarrassed to ask the court, we're scheduled for continued pretrial. Am I correct?
Well, this is final pretrial today, so maybe you need to talk with the attorney. We'll set a trial date.
That's what we need to do, Judge. I remember our last date. Thank you for reminding me.
City of Detroit versus Ernest Gardner, case number Z8098551. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, may it please the court, and of course for the record, David Rosenberg, P27407, on behalf of Mr. Gardner. He's here with us virtually. And please, Judge, I'd like to proceed that way.
Okay, good morning to you. And Mr. Gardner, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Ernest Gardner.
All right, today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. We'll set a trial date for March the 16th.
May I check my calendar, Judge?
You may.
Thank you. One moment.
What about testing, Mr. Gardner? Have you been testing?
Yes, sir.
And what am I going to expect? Call probation down and get some updated information on Mr. Gardner. Any missed tests, any positive tests?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to check on that. If you hear from your attorney, well, if your attorney tells you we're looking for you, then you know the probation department is saying differently. Okay. If not, then you'll be all good. All right, Mr. Love, you never joined the room, did you?
Not sure.
Not you, Mr. Rosenberg.
Oh, well, we're done, Judge. Thank you. March 16, may we see you then?
Yes, at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day.
Judge, have a great weekend. Thank you for accommodating me.
You as well. All right. All right, that's the cutoff for officers. On the TUNI, TINNO device, I'm asking you to unmute yourself, start your camera, and good morning to you, and state your name, please. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name? You have to unmute yourself.
1 second.
You're not driving a car, are you?
No, I'm actually in the Uber on the way to work.
Oh, okay. What is your name?
Michael Gresham.
Michael Gresham. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Set for trial. I think we can get him out of here. Is Officer Robert Landrum here? Robert Landrum. Can I get Michael Grisham's file, please? All right, let's go back on the record with Lipsy. Mr. Lipsy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, all matters are to be dismissed.
All right. Case dismissed, Mr. Lipsy. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Only just signed on the other. I'm gonna get them out of here. I'm gonna-
The other one's running back. So he's on 2 devices. I told him to make you aware. You told him.
All right, this is Miss Villarreal. This is the city of Detroit versus Yeser Lagos Avilas, case number SP 184-5518, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 184-61681. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Yexer Fernando Lagos Ávila, números de caso, SP 1846168 y SP 1845518, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Elwood S. Berry representando a el acusado. Díganos su nombre, señor.
Jector Fernando Lagos Ávila.
Yexer Fernando Lagos Ávila.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Lo vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, y él va a conseguirle usted una oferta actualizada de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta, tiene todo derecho de juicio. Acepte la invitación.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is it my understanding, counsel, he wants an appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I'm going to appoint an attorney for you. I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls. Should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yeah. So, quick question: do I have another? When is the next court date?
It's going to be March the 16th at 2026 at 8:30. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, March 16th.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a blessing.
Better one. Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Darnell James Green. SP 180-9069, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Darnell James Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer SOBH? SOB. I don't see that officer. I do not have that officer on my list.
Defense will move to dismiss.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Michael Grisham, case number U72706-825. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Michael Lawrence Gresham.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer Robert Landrum?
Stand to move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, hearing no response and not seeing that officer on my list, I'm going to dismiss the case. Mr. Grisham, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right, this is the
Do I leave the courtroom, Your Honor?
You may. This is the City of Detroit versus Chucky Oni. Case number SP100-99471, SP102-79121, SP1105-8801, SP111754, counts 1 and counts 2, SP11756-201, SP133-9877, counts 1, SP158-31761, SP1600. SP1600486, counts 2 and counts 3. SP1675741, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1835516, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Is on there?
He's not on here.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Oni, please state your name for the record.
Chucky Oni. All right, good morning to you,
Purposes of
sir.
arraignment, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond and we'll recall the warrants. Mr. Oni, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. With Ms. Harris, she's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay. I'm just trying to get the stuff out there. Hanging over my head is too long.
Yeah, and you keep getting tickets, and if you keep getting the tickets, I'm gonna have something else hanging over your head too, Mr. Oni.
I'm on the payment plan.
This is what you left in your wake, all right? Can he get on the line? Can he?
The second phone is the second number that he's on. When that one died, he doesn't know the number.
Oh, I'm gonna bring him in. Go ahead out in the hallway. I'm about to bring you in and talk to Miss Harris, all right? Put you in a breakout room with her.
Okay, so on this one, or do I gotta hang up?
No, whichever one that is, that's. You got multiple phones and.
No, this one I actually just had to go get, because this one on the way out. I had this one for 4 years.
Go ahead. Go ahead out there. I'm gonna bring you in.
I'm ready on 2 cases, Judge.
Join the room. He's in there. On one of them, or 1 or 2 of them. I don't know which one he's in there.
Let me get it.
Join the room, Ms. Harris. Officer Saab. Officer Saab. Officer Saab. Where is he?
Hello?
Officer Saab.
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Morning. I just dismissed your case.
Yes,
it
sir.
was.
I'm sorry. I'm juggling a lot of
I
things
won't
going
put,
on. My apologies.
I won't put no
Um,
officer,
you
all
said
right?
you canceled it, correct?
Yeah, I won't put no officer though. So I just put dismissal. I did not mark no officer since you did appear.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. My apologies.
Be safe.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Love. Mr. Love, giving you an opportunity again to speak to council. All right, what is anything changed, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Mr. Love is able to make a factual basis at this time.
All right, we've already talked about you being in that area around that date and that time. Would you agree that you did something on that day to cause a police presence?
Yes, I agree.
And would you agree that that police presence disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes, I agree.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of disorderly conduct. There's going to be a $240 fine, a misdemeanor morality class. You can take that class with Eve. I can give you the number to Eve. You get a pen ready, and then I need HIV STD testing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get a new pen?
Come back next month.
All right, person on the phone. If you don't have the ability to join by Zoom, if we can't see you.
All right. We're getting too much background noise. Come back next month on the 20th, March the 20th at 8:25. eBay's number is 313-864-8205, 313-864-8205, and set an appointment. You might want to do that as soon as possible because they do fill up. Set an appointment and then get the testing done wherever you can get testing, and then pay the $240. Pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, sir. What March? We'll
March
come back
20th at 8:25.
8 o'clock.
8:25. If you join in at 8 o'clock, you'll probably be first up.
Also, Mr. Love, did you want to do community service? Is that available for him?
He can.
Do you want to do community service, sir?
No, I'm okay. I have the time.
Okay.
All right. All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. We're ready on Tazia Gully. I don't think the police officer appeared for her trial.
Yeah. This is the city of Detroit versus Taze Gully. Case numbers SP 182-7599, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182-7602, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Taser Gully.
Taser Gully. Good morning to you, ma'am. Day's date and time set for
Good morning,
a
Your Honor.
trial. This will be the last time I know I'll mess your name up because you're not going to come back. You're not going to get any tickets anymore, and everything's going to be all good. I'm sorry about messing up your name, but I'm going to dismiss. Is there an officer?
Tayana Cox.
Officer Cox. Hearing no response and not having that officer written down on my list. Go ahead, Counselor.
At this time, defense moves to dismiss for no non-appearance of the complaining witness.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. Gully. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You have a blessed day as well.
Thank you so much.
And you have a good day, Judge. Near staff.
Well.
Judge,
yes.
I had two trials set. I don't know if the officer showed up. Darnell Green.
Defendant.
Darnell Green.
He's gone. No officer.
Also, I had Jeremy Goodlett.
I don't think I've seen Goodlett yet.
Did you show up in person?
No, he's not in person, not that I know. I haven't seen Goodland yet. All right,
All right.
Your Honor, can you
Thanks.
also ask the same about Jabari Lucas? My client is here. If the officer showed up, I didn't see the officers.
Jabari Lucas.
Yes, he's in the main section.
Okay. All right, we'll get there. Let's go back on the record with Lagos Avila. Mr. Lagos Avila, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos
Your
a volver
Honor.
a acta con el caso del señor Lagos Ávila. Señor Lagos Ávila le dio la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, dígame qué van a hacer.
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Su señoría, mi cliente requiere un juicio y que le nombren un abogado para representarlo. El número de teléfono de él se encuentra por el chat.
Is that what you want, sir?
¿Es eso lo que usted quiere, señor?
Sí, eso está bien.
Yes, that is fine.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial on March the 16th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that we can make sure that appointed attorney has the opportunity to contact you.
Muy bien, así que primero le vamos a dar una fecha para tener la consulta previa al juicio y esa fecha es el 16 de marzo del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Hemos fijado esa fecha para estar seguro que el abogado se ha puesto en contacto o que se va a poner en contacto con usted. Okay.
If that attorney does not contact you by March 16th, Gascon, I got him. If that attorney does not contact you by March 16th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Así que ese día, el 16 de marzo, si el abogado todavía no se ha puesto en contacto con usted, ese mismo día le nombramos un abogado. Quiero que usted conteste todas sus llamadas, aunque no reconozca el número de la llamada, porque puede que ese número le pertenezca al abogado que lo está llamando usted.
Okay.
If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Y si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le deseo a usted lo mejor de la suerte y que tenga buen día. ¿Está bien?
Igualmente.
Same to you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, I don't think we have any more, but you're more than welcome to stay.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think I'll leave now, but if you need me, I'm a phone call away.
So much.
You're very
Have a good
welcome. Have
weekend.
a great weekend. Thank you. Thank you. The same to you and to your staff.
I
Bye-bye.
I'll be gone next week for Wednesday, unless I see you Monday. I'll see you the week after next.
Oh, so you won't be there for community court on Wednesday?
No community court Wednesday.
No community court Wednesday. I got it. I'll look
All right,
forward
best
to
of luck.
the next. Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Gascon, can you press *6 to unmute yourself? Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Ricky Gascon, case number SP 184-73701. Appearance for the record, please.
Calvin S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gascon.
Ricky Gascon.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gascon, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Barry, he's in there.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oni. Mr. Oni, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, I see one. Do you have $288, Mr. Oni? $288. That's what I see is affecting your license, at least with the 36th District Court. There's no insurance proof.
Your Honor, I can pay about it first. I'm on the disability income, but I can pay about it first.
All right, then you owe some other civil infractions as well. Step up to the mic. Step up to the mic. But that 1288, no insurance proof, is what's affecting your ability to get a valid driver's license.
So if I pay that, I can get a valid driver's
Don't
license?
say that. I'm not gonna go that far. What I'm gonna say is, if you pay that, you'll get clearances here at the 36th District Court. I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions.
I don't have tickets in other jurisdictions.
Yeah, so you just run amok in the city of Detroit. That's all right. He knows. No, he knows not to go on across 8 Mile with that stuff.
And listen, this stuff been hanging on my stuff for like 20 years now. I just want to be right. I'm 40-some years old. I got kids. I'm not trying to run none of that from the police.
I know.
I'm trying to get these licenses right.
All right, I got you. Pay that 288, and sounds like you may be able to get a license. Because that's what's affecting. Now, you owe some other civil infractions. Yeah. So I don't want you to go say, Judge Perkins said, all I got to do is pay this one and that's it.
Oh, the payment plan downstairs for the other ones.
Well, that 288, if you're on a payment plan with that, you need to put the 288 on that well, yeah, you only owe $88. You need to go tell them right now, I can pay that $88 if you can. You got $88 a day?
Yeah, I do got it today.
Try to go down there and pay the 88 on this ticket right here.
Please give me a printout.
That's all I'm trying to do.
I promise you, I'm trying to go get my license. I'm tired of this, man. This is the only problem I got, man.
I don't know if this is if this is the only problem that you have. I would like to trade my hand with yours then, because I got way more problems too than just one.
I can handle, man. But the city of Detroit ain't where I look y'all at.
All right, here we go. This is the printer. I'm gonna have you back on March the 16th. Okay. March the 16th, 2026 at 8:30. Come back. Oh, you want a trial date, right? Does he want a trial date? Yeah, he can get a pre-trial date. This is his arraignment. He can get a pre-trial date. That'll give him more time. Pre-trial, March 16th.
I just need more time, Your Honor. I mean, I had permission. I spoke to the supervisor.
Not you, Mr. Gascon. Not you, Mr. Gascon. We're not talking to you, Mr. Gascon. All right.
Because I'm filing a lawsuit against this. I'm contacting
Mr. Gascon, I'm not talking to you.
Okay.
March 16th.
March 16th. That's the ticket that you need to pay. No insurance proof. You only owe $88 on there. If you pay that $88, you'll get clearances here at the 36th District Court. Go to the Secretary of State, see if they'll give you a license. If they don't give you a license, ask them for a printout. They should give you everything.
They gave me the printout at the Secretary.
And that's the only thing that's a mess with.
Down here and paid on this ticket. It was $100 and something.
But you got to pay the whole $88.
I'm about to pay it today.
And then you should be able to get a license.
Okay.
March the 16th.
Come back here.
Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you, man.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Great day, sir.
All right. Princess Gardner. I see you there, Officer Thomas. Good morning to you. Who are you here on?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yep, I'm just here on Ernest Gardner. He's testing as directed. No issues, no positives, no missed.
Very good. Be safe. And I told him that we'd check on him, but he's gone. So be safe out there, and best of luck to you, Officer Thomas.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Princess Gardner. Case number SP 1340169, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1377851, 1 and counts 2. SP 1848255. 1, SP 1848259, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
You just called my name too. Okay, go. Yes.
Princess Gardner. Appearance.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gardner. Please state your name.
Princess Gardner.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's she's a warrant on one of them for some reason. I'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf and give her a $0 bond on that. Ms. Gardner, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Jabari Lucas, case number SP1488591, SP1840702, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Aaron Overtree, on behalf of Mr. Jabari Lucas, P number 69167. Mr. Lucas, can you unmute and state your name?
Jabari Lucas.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. There's there an Officer Shack or Officer Biggs? Shack and Biggs. Hearing no response and not seeing that officer on my list. Go ahead, Counselor.
Respectfully requesting a dismissal.
All right, case dismissed, Mr. Lucas. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gascon. Mr. Gascon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and he will retain his own counsel.
All right, you're going to retain your own attorney, Mr. Gascon?
Yes, I think a civil lawsuit attorney too also.
I can't hear you.
Hold on, I'm going through the line at the entrance.
But you don't have to come back in here.
Okay, I don't have to?
Oh.
Okay.
You say you're retaining your own attorney, right?
Yes, I'm going to be retaining my own attorney and a lawsuit attorney too about this because I had permission to be in here and I had proof.
Okay.
And
All right. Listen, Mr. Gascon. Mr. Gascon, say no more. Okay. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of March 16th. That's the date where you need to bring your attorney in. Okay. March 16th at 8:30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gascon, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
I will, sir. I'm going to be getting these charges erased too off my record too because it makes me look bad when I'm trying to work hard for the city.
Okay, very well. I wish you the best of luck.
All righty, thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Donald Good. Case number SP1810536, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1828235, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Good.
Donald Good, press unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning. I'm sorry. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Good, is that hat for religious purposes?
Yes, sir. I'm Muslim, sir.
Very well. Very well. Day is date and time set for pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. You do not like the offer. You have an absolute right to a trial. And Mr. Berry, Mr. Good's license is good.
Yes, Your
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, sir. Let's pass the matter. Miss Harris, you have a question?
I do, Your Honor. On Ms. Gardner, could we check the status of her license? And she's also indicating that there's possibly a trial date already set. And I just wanted to confirm that with the court.
I don't think a trial date was already set, but we'll check the license here. Check Ms. Gardner's license, please. Gibson is here, Mr. Ogletree. Where's Gibson? Go in there. Let me let Mr. go in breakout room CR535, Mr. Gibson. Let Mr. Oglesby know you're here.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to you.
Judge,
Yes.
for Mr. Keyshawn Gray, we need a bench trial date.
Oh, Dang is here. Okay.
Prince's license is good.
Prince's license is valid. Gardner's license is valid.
Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Keyshawn Gray, case number SP1466359, counts 1 and counts 2, SP181897001, SP1818971, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Keyshawn Gray, Judge. He's waiving his right to adjourn, requesting bench trial date, please.
All right, Mr. Gray, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Sean Gray.
Sean Gray, good morning to you.
Sean, yep.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to set a trial date for you, Mr. Gray, for March the 16th. At 9 a.m. March the 16th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Gray, and have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Anyone else, Miss Barrett? Ledford, did you ever get in contact with your attorney?
No, I haven't.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Good. Mr. Good, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right. I'm going to give you a trial date, Mr. Good, March 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Likewise, Your Honor. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Pamela June Lucas. Case numbers SP183-20631, SP183-23431. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lucas.
Hello.
Ms. Lucas, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Pamela June Lucas.
All right, today is the date and time set for a Mr. Berry, what is it set for?
Your Honor, she does not appear on my docket.
Let's see, why is that?
I just had a ticket, sir.
I know everybody did. Come on. Lucas.
8:30.
8:30.
Raymond on the bench.
Arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information.
Thank you, Ms. Lucas. Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And then she's in a payment plan for a expired plate, but I'll allow her to be heard on that. So expired plate, no insurance, misdemeanor, Mr. Berry. Ms. Lucas, Ms. Barrett, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Can you tell me how to do that?
Yeah, it should show you. It should pop up on the screen.
Okay, I see it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Princess Gardner, nothing is set. That's Miss Harris. Nothing is no trial date set. Maya Young.
Yes. Yes.
Morning to you, ma'am. What brings you in here?
I'm here because I had received a a letter from my landlord about an eviction, and I had owed
Okay.
3,500. I had paid everything in cash yesterday.
Wait, Miss Young, wait, let me stop you. You're in the wrong courtroom. I don't know how to let her in. She's in the wrong courtroom. You need to dial 360, Zoom ID. I think you're looking for Judge Sharp, right?
Yeah.
You need to hang up and dial 360 434 0000, the Zoom ID, okay?
Okay, hold on. What's the number again?
360 434 0000.
Okay, thank you.
Be safe, ma'am. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Rick Lane,
Yeah,
have your hand raised. Turn your camera on,
yeah.
sir.
Hold on.
Good morning
Yeah,
to
I
you.
was
Take your
saying
hat
that.
off, please. Unless it's for religious purposes. All right.
Yeah, I was saying that I had court today.
Is it Rick Lane or is it Ricky Lane or is it, what's your full name?
Rick Lane.
Rick Lane. Did you take the hat off?
Yeah.
All right. All right. No, March the 12th. March the 12th. Rick Devani Lane, right?
Yeah.
All right. Be safe.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, Rashard, did he leave? Zoom users. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
My name Marvin Grant. I apologize. I was supposed to be here early.
Marvin Grant.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer now. Mr. Grant, do you have valid insurance?
No, not currently.
All right, wait on an attorney.
Okay.
Run Rayshawn Little's license, please. On the Wing Tech device, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Good morning to you.
All right, thank you, Judge. Okay.
Wing Tech? You have your camera unmuted. Come on in the camera, ma'am.
Hello,
Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Maya Young. I'm looking for the Judge Monique Sharp.
Monique Sharp is courtroom 434-360-434-0000.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yes, sir.
I got the hell for a minute.
Damian Green.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. You're not scheduled to be here until the
I was told. I'm sorry.
6th of March. The 6th of March.
Your Honor, I was told that I had from my case at the beginning of January, since I had not been able to get into the courtroom. I was told that this court, when I called 36th District, that I was supposed to show up as of February 20th. I do understand that I have multiple cases, so maybe they just pushed everything to March 6th.
Yeah. Are you Damian Marcos Green?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 6th of March, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too as well. Have a blessed one, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Put that one case that I printed the ROA out. It should be printed out up there.
ROA, let me check to see if it's a part of this. That's all. What was the defendant's name?
Damian Green.
See, I remember I heard you say his name. Which one to do with it?
Put it on March the 6th too. That's the only one that wasn't scheduled for March the 6th. It's on the computer now. Well, Ledford, I don't know what you're gonna do where your attorney is. You hired this attorney, right? What's the attorney's name?
James King.
James King?
Yep, King, I believe. Yep.
Well, he was present the last time in court, I remember.
Who James King was? Let me see if we can find him.
You said March the 6th, just for Damian Green.
March the 6th, Damian Green.
Thank
you. Let me see. Let me see here.
This is for a formal hearing?
No, just a hearing. It's with all the, that was the only one that wasn't scheduled for March the 6th. I'm trying to see what James King, I don't. James King. James Earl King Jr.
Hello, we're unable to take your call at the moment. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.
Is this Attorney James King? This is Judge Perkins at 36th District Court, courtroom 535. Yeah, need to give us a call. I have an individual here that indicates that you're his attorney. Don't matter.
That's true.
Did that attorney send you that email?
Yes, he did. He had to call back to verify the.
Hello, we're unable to.
I'm trying to decide between Crunch and Planet Fitness.
My daughter and I go to Planet Fitness.
Your call has been.
I like their chair. So when you get done working, if you got the black card, you go in the back and the massage chair do your whole body if you sore.
Oh,
It works. You do a good job too.
I wouldn't know.
You gotta use it, Judge.
I don't use that. I just go in there and do my thing and leave. We haven't gone in a while though. We used to go in the morning, 5 o'clock.
Morning, the best time.
Yes, they have a handful of people. They come all the time. 8 Mile.
Do they have a sauna here?
I wouldn't know that either.
they just opened that one on Jefferson.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is a recommendation that has been extended. She does want to enter a plea and admit responsibility pursuant to that recommendation. She was able to present valid documentation, registration, and insurance. The offer is she could plead to 1 count of improper plates and an amended count of blocking traffic, with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gardner?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Yeah, on my knees and my ankle.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any rights?
Say that again.
Somewhere where it's a little quieter, please.
Yeah. Why they came in here? Okay.
You
Say that again.
understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 30th, 2025 at around 12:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Ewald Circle and Santa Rosa. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
What you mean by that?
Did you get stopped by the police?
Oh, yes, I did.
And did the officer, was there something wrong with the plate on that vehicle, 2011 Jeep?
Yes, he said it was showing up. It wasn't showing like it wasn't anyone's name. That's what he was saying. But I didn't know that.
All right. You didn't know that?
No, because I had that original plate on another vehicle that I had. So I didn't know that it was, I didn't know basically that it wasn't in my name anymore because it was expired.
But let me ask you this. You knew that plate didn't go to that 2011 Jeep, didn't you?
Yes, I knew that.
And you knew you didn't go to the Secretary of State to transfer that plate over to that 2011 Jeep, right?
Right, correct.
I'll find your client guilty as to charge to the improper plate. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause of the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. With that, I'll find you responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic. As for the sentence, I'll fine you $240 for the improper plate, and I won't fine you for the blocking traffic. How about that?
Okay.
I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I can pay it first week of March.
First week of March?
Yes.
You want to come back March 6th?
Yes.
It's paid by March 6th. You don't have to come back. If you pay it through the DivDac kiosk, or if you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or you can come on down. Told you can upload the DivDac kiosk to your phone. If you have it paid, you don't have to come back. We'll dismiss the case. If it's not paid, I need to see you. 8/25 on March the 6th. Best of luck to you, Ms. Gardner. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jamal Greer. Give me that. Did I mess the name up, sir? Mr. Greer?
Yes, sir. It's Jamal Greer.
Good morning. I'm sorry. This city of Detroit versus Jamal Greer, case number SP 1246606, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 12608871 and 2. SP 130242. Strike that. SP 1302424, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 151847001, SP 1693461, SP 1401751, 18478761. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Greer, please state your name for the record.
Jamal Greer.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. He owes $288 on one old no insurance proof and $336 on another old no insurance proof. He owes some other civil infractions as well. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Greer an updated offer, or attempt to get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Greer, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lucas. Ms. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, the matters are to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Lucas, case is dismissed. Per city attorney, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
I don't have to pay anything.
No, you don't.
Thank you so much.
All right, best of luck. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Welcome. City of Detroit versus Rayshawn Little. Rayshawn Jamal Little, case number SP 184-90921. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Little.
Rayshawn. All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. Mr. Berry, Officer Bartlett, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer William Bartlett, badge number 205.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. Mr. Little, join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Just pass the matter. I get Gloucester's file. Officer Hunter, he said he's doing everything he's doing. I don't know what to say. Did you pay this attorney, Mr. Ledford?
Yes, I paid the attorney. Actually just got off the phone with him like 5 minutes ago. He said he's joining.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So,
all right.
But he did say he's joining.
Very well. Mr. For Wiley and Bird, their defendants did not appear.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Excuse me.
I have you set, Mr. Long. Good morning to you.
How you doing? I was just making sure I was supposed to be here.
You gotta be prepared to turn your camera on when we call your name, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you.
Same to you.
And Mr. Gloucester, we have you in line as well, and it's only a few more left, so we should be, hopefully.
Cunningham made a statement last night.
Oh, he did? He's been making a statement all year.
All year, right? We at the end now,
He's been
right?
making a statement all year. He all-star. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Little. Mr. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display for this charge.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yeah.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 15, 2026, around 10:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Chicago and Westwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yeah.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
I have to have a hearing with the Secretary of State for some tickets in the past, for some cases in the past.
Because you didn't have a license. Okay, I'm gonna find you guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. $240 is the fine. When can you pay it? I'll give you 30 days to pay it. I'll mark the file allow payment plan if you need to get into a payment plan. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, or you come down to the courthouse and get into the payment plan on or before March 20th. If there's nothing further, Mr. Little, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. City of Detroit versus Joe DeMarco Long, case number SP 184-8706, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Long.
Joe DeMarco Long.
Your Honor, for
All right.
purposes of arraignment, we would, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on his client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Long also has a 21 to 25 over that I wouldn't have any issue allowing him to be heard on it if the city has no objection. Mr. Long, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Harris. He's gonna attempt to, he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter.
I mean, Morton.
Back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
All right. Trial date, Mr. Long, is going to be March the 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Welcome. Versus Terrell Gloucester Jr., case number SP 176-80981, SP 177-85231. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gloucester.
How you doing? Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Terrell Gloucester.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Mr. King, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, do you need to speak with your client or do you need to speak with the city attorney?
I don't. I've spoken with the city attorney before, Your Honor. I had an emergency in my family today, so I didn't get a chance to complete what I needed with Mr. Ledford. So I'm going to ask if we can just push this off to next week so I can get everything squared away with him.
All right, City of Detroit versus Ramel Duran Ledford, case number Z8098791. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. James King, P number 85229. I appear on behalf of Mr. Ledford Jr., who appears via Zoom and consents to being present via Zoom. Can you state the name for the record, sir?
Rebel Ledford Jr.
All right, here's the deal. I'm not going to be here but one day on Monday. So do you have all the documentation, and then we can set a trial date for March the 16th?
I believe, Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken, that there was an offer made already for Mr. Ledford. And I think this is gonna resolve short of trial, but if the court wants to set a trial date.
And that offer will be there. That offer will be there. Was March 16th good for you?
Yes.
All right, March 16th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day. I hope everything is all right and situated with your family situation, Attorney King.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Question. Will that be in person or on Zoom?
That's like Burger King, Ledford. That's you have it your way.
Okay.
All right. That's the best I can come up with.
Okay, appreciate that. Yeah.
All right. All right. He had his hand raised. I was wondering.
Did you say you're gonna be here Monday?
Yes, Monday.
Okay.
I'll be here. And I'm flying to friendly skies.
You out of here. How long is the flight?
I guess about 4.5 hours.
Not that bad.
Where you headed to, Judge?
Los Angeles.
That really ain't
Miss
bad.
Williams
Going West
Law's
Coast.
old stomping grounds.
You said the what?
Miss Williams Law's old stomping grounds.
Miss Williams Laws in California? Okay.
Miss Williams Law, I mean, she was a recorded singer.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Judge.
Had herself a group and everything. Yep.
Yeah, 4 hour flight, I'm probably gonna get it.
Oh, most definitely.
4 hours gonna go past so fast.
4.5 hours.
Yeah.
It doesn't go bad spot when you're sitting on that
Now we
plane.
gonna play.
You're like, oh,
Plane,
God.
like, oh, man. So like 10 hours.
Yes,
You
it
flying
does.
Delta, right?
I'm flying Delta, Miss Mount.
No Spirit?
Not Spirit.
They gonna give you some headphones, watch a movie.
I got some headphones in my bag.
You're gonna be there.
I'm gonna be listening Tuesday night.
The Delta Spirit, when you get to the West Coast flights, they're not as cheap as they are, East Coast stuff. I guess they probably do more East Coast stuff. And it's just not, it wasn't.
He is actually.
Who's that?
This is Israel.
I need that.
We are in
Port 535.
we are, but we're waiting. You want to look at the seats real quick?
Yeah.
Stay up.
Yeah, all they need to do is I need to reset.
He's coming in right now.
All right, very well.
You working from home Monday, Judge? You coming?
I don't know. I was thinking about that.
On Zoom Monday?
I'll probably come in. It's easy, man.
Are you leaving early?
6 o'clock.
Oh, that's early. That's early.
No, 6 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, in the evening.
So, Judge, you won't be doing the interview because you'll be out of time, the podcast or the show, because you'll be out of
Then
town
I'm gonna
next
try,
week, right?
good morning, I'm gonna try to do the podcast before I leave.
Oh, okay.
So right now, it's not live, it's
okay.
recorded.
Okay.
What's going on? You see the problem I'm having, or do you, I'll show you.
You just need to reset it. You need to reset.
Yeah, but I can't, I tried and it won't.
So you're gonna be,
No, I never seen it for you.
see here.
Ms. Williams, welcome with the Venice Emerge.
Oh, you better tell that.
So it's your ID.
You hear that,
your
Miss
ID.
Williams, Bob?
No.
And no, what was that?
Last name.
You normally hear everything.
I heard my name, but I did not hear because Judge is handling the business. What was that?
That's Perkins.
Go ahead, mind it.
I actually
Don't
do.
be shy.
Do you forgot password? You know your password, right?
Yeah, but I tried to do that too.
No, do that.
You
And
want to
I'll
hear
take
what?
Oh, not now, but
Oh.
in general.
Oh.
I don't really sing anymore like that. But the album is out there. It's
I want to hear that. I want to hear the album too.
it's on Apple Music.
It is. What's the name of the
That's
album?
what's going on.
The name of the album is called Virginity, and the and the name of the group is Forshe, FORSHE.
Because I don't know if they changed it
Said
to mi.gov, and then I also seen them use the .org.
Forshe?
So I don't.
Mm-hmm.
.gov should be it. So we're just waiting for it. It takes a little bit to show up.
Oh, so I kept on putting.
I want to hear it.
So Chief Judge Court Reporter was also was in the group with me as well. Since she got it gone, come on in the room.
Oh, Mia too, what's her name?
Maya.
Yeah,
My ear. I know my ear.
You do?
My ear's still here.
I tried to junk, I didn't see it.
My ear's been singing along. So I know my ear.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me try the .org and see if it will work.
I didn't know that.
So go back.
It's a small world.
Excuse me, Judge.
I go back.
Yes.
Do you still, this is Marvin Grant, do you still have me up for today? I joined kind of late, so I don't know if you called me already.
Yeah, I have you in line.
Okay, thank you.
36report.org.
Wow, I don't see my ear.
See if the .org one. It's one of these two. It's the .org or the MI. Because I've seen it work one way and I've seen it work the other way. It's not in your other folder, is it? It's not in other, is it?
No, it will come up.
Oh, okay,
as
I
a-
got you. It's still safe one. It's like first thing USB coder will be linked to them. It's not gonna.
No, that's all right, I just won't do it.
It's one of those two though. It's .org or MI.
Is Cole not here today?
No, he's here. We have a meeting. I'm gonna talk to him and ask him, make sure it's MI. I'm pretty sure it's MI.gov.
All right, as long as I can reset it, I'll be good.
Yeah. I just don't know why this email takes forever.
I wrote it down. I think
This,
she
so
said it was spelled.
it's nothing we have any control over how long it takes. Sometimes it takes a few minutes and it takes, I don't know, like up to 20 minutes.
Well, then it expires, and it's gonna expire in 15 minutes.
Yeah, I don't even know. I said, I thought it comes in pretty quick. But geez, your reset code, yeah, you're waiting. Oh, you're right, in 15 minutes. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record. Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea, 2 counts of improper plates and 1 count of failing to display a valid license.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Greer?
Sure.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to June the 17th, 2025, around 2:38 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Myers and Chalfont. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No,
And why is that?
because I never had them.
Because you didn't have one, right?
No.
Very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of dominion count of failure to display. You said two counts of improper plates and one failure to display. That's it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to January 18th, 2022, around 7:02 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Dexter and Richton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Was this your 2002 Suzuki you were operating?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce valid license and insurance? Mr. Gray, Mr.
Yes,
Greer,
sir.
officer asked you to produce valid license and insurance?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And you couldn't either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because I didn't have any.
Very well. Find your client guilty. I just gave him an allowing instead of the find you guilty for the allowing and guilty for the not having a valid license and guilty for the improper plate for not having any insurance. Stipulate the probable cause dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and respectfully request leniency in terms of any fines and costs imposed by the court.
Why should I give him any leniency?
I
Why?
was just trying to advocate for my client, Your Honor. I
I
believe
thought
he is
that's right.
attempting to get a license. I know that that's going to be more money, and he does have other jurisdictions that he may have to take care of as well.
Mm.
Easy.
What are you doing with yourself, sir? What do? Do you work?
Yes, I work, but I recently broke my hand, and I've been just doing little odd jobs and basically stuff like that. A little caretaker too. And then I work on roofs too in the summer. So
You do roofs?
yes, sir.
Who do you do that with?
Family members, couple guys I know.
Are you any good?
Yeah, I'm decent.
Oh, boy. All right, I'll fine you for two of them. Failure to display 240, improper plate 240, and no fine for the allowing, all right? I'll waive the warrant fee. I'm gonna set a review date for next month, March the 20th at 8:25, and I'm marking the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse on or before March 20th and get into the payment plan. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You said how much to pay?
480 and 480, but you owe a lot of other money down there as well, too. No, 240 and 240, I'm sorry. 240 and 240. All right.
Okay.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Marvin Grant, case number SP 184-40561. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Grant, please state your name for the record.
Marvin Grant.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial, I believe. Mr. Grant, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room when you see the prompt. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gloucester. Mr. Gloucester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date, please.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gloucester?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll do a trial date.
Come back March 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
City of Detroit, strike that. State of Michigan versus Dominique Gaffney. Case number SX4638788, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. You want to run his license?
Albert S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaffney.
Take your hat off, please.
Sorry. I'm at work, I'm sorry.
Sorry, appearance for the Mr. Gaffney. Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
License.
All right.
Okay.
Ms. O'Neill. Ms. O'Neill.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, you paid that. I'm gonna just, your Angel O'Neill, 10/8 is your birthday?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss that case. I don't see anything else you have.
Okay, and I apologize about missing my court date too. When I seen you on the 6th, I had ended up having to leave to go out of town. My father-in-law, he was in hospice.
Sorry
so
to
that's
hear
why
that, man.
I couldn't get on
That's all right.
with you with my review on the night.
That's all right. No worries. You paid it. I'm gonna dismiss the case and I'm gonna be praying for you and your family, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, Mr. Grant, that's what you want?
Yes, sir.
I'll come back on March 16th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Grant, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you too.
Welcome. These are reviews.
The ones that's coming out.
Mhm.
You signed it, Rick?
Hmm?
You signed that, Rick? Come back. Thank you.
Uh, All the ones I didn't print out, they didn't do anything, so
Okay, that's what I was checking.
lock it. I'll lock it.
You said lock it.
Judge, can you give me a quick second before we go to the next case if they come back?
Right. So now, we don't got to worry about New York. We got to worry about Cleveland. Is that who's up? Since they got James Harden, they said they're the favorite to come out the East.
How's James Harden been? I don't watch pros.
So
I watch college.
they had a pretty
How's
good
James
guy.
Harden been doing?
He having a really good season. They had a really good guy in Garland, but he got hurt. So they traded Garland.
They kind of seem like they kind of gave up on James Harden too, didn't
They did, but he resurrected in the Clippers and
they?
made himself valuable. Now he over there in Cleveland with Mitchell, and I guess Ohio have a reason to be excited. Although the way the Pistons, man, I think they can care less. What's going on in Cleveland? You getting oxtail today?
Where?
Oxtail.
I want lunch.
Oxtails.
That's the only Jamaican thing I can eat. All the other stuff I can't eat.
Too spicy for you?
Yeah, I don't really like spicy food. Probably ate too much of it when I was younger.
Oh, too much spicy.
Mhm. Mhm.
I brought my lunch.
Are we ready? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaffney. Mr. Gaffney, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to yield and dismiss the no operator's license matter.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gaffney?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Take the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Gaffney?
Before the end of next month.
It's going to be by March the 20th, as long as I'm giving you.
Oh, that's fine. That's
Pay
more
it
than
at any
enough time.
city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
And that's the 36th district.
Yep, 36th district or the DivDat kiosk, DIVDAT.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck. I was gonna say, here we go with their shutdown. My wife is not gonna get paid again.
Yeah, I heard that. They shut down the government again.
You know.
They get unemployment or something?
No, they have to work with no pay. And here's the deal, the last time.
Why do they?
It's kind of sickening. My wife has never been late, never been tardy in the whole almost 6 years she's worked there. And during the last shutdown, she got real sick. And she went to work 2 or 3 days and she couldn't talk. So they put her in a classroom and did her some computer work or something, right?
Where she worked at?
At TSA.
Oh, airport.
So then she said she can't, she says, can I get a personal day tomorrow, a sick day? They said, no, we can't give you a sick day. She has gobs of sick time. She doesn't ever take off. And then they say you could take a furlough day. Well, when the $10,000 bonuses came out, they didn't give her a $10,000 bonus because of her furlough day.
Because of the one furlough.
For that one day.
For one day. How long she been working?
6 years, 5 years, 6
And
years.
they wouldn't give her the bonus?
No.
Never late. Never
Because of the
furlough.
one
She
furlough.
had never, ever been late, or she went through rain, sleet, hail, or snow, the storms, the flooding. She got to work on time.
That's petty. That's like,
That's
what?
very petty.
It's
For
ridiculous.
one furlough day.
And now here we go again. She didn't get a paycheck for 46 days. They were off.
They gave her back pay when she
They
went back.
gave her a back pay.
But still have
Oh, okay,
to
so
wait.
they're saying during the shutdown, we can't pay you right now.
Yes.
Later on, you'll get your funds.
Yeah, but that's insane though.
If
It
people
is.
losing they bill.
They say a lot of people lost 1,000 people. They lost 1,000 TSA agents behind that. Yeah,
They don't work 40 hours a week, right?
they do.
They don't do it now. They do now.
Yeah, they work.
You know, for a lot of people living Cherry, if you don't get paid
That's
for
messed
46
up.
days, that could put you in a horrible situation.
And that for one day, and they told her she could take a field.
She couldn't get the $10,000 bonus.
I would have rather went
She
to
could've
work sick and got the.
I was gonna make a thing on
Yeah, she probably should have went in there. sick and
TikTok
coughed on
video.
She probably
everybody.
didn't know they were gonna do that.
No, she didn't.
If she would have
Well, she
known.
seemed like she could appeal that because they offered the first.
Right.
They suggested this. So she took it as an option. Normally she wouldn't have took it if she hadn't been sick.
Yeah, they have
It
union,
seems
right?
like she could appeal
They
it.
Yeah, but
sabotaged her.
They did. They did.
They said, what you
And,
say?
They knew what they were doing.
I was trying to write and convince her to write a letter, but she didn't want any backlash from her bosses and stuff like that. So
And say, Judge, you got a following, Judge. You can be right on. You can be right on.
She suggested
I mean-
you to penalize me. I took this from you.
Is that a
guys.
grievance?
no, it's not a grievance.
She offered that. They offered that to her, so she took it because of the circumstance.
One
She
Yeah, so
furlough.
she wasn't feeling it.
Oh, she couldn't talk for like the whole week. She couldn't even talk. Like, and she just finally kept getting sicker and sicker. And she was like, I gotta take it. I gotta.
That could have came from like literal stress and anxiety because you're not getting your check all the
I'm not getting paid, right?
Shoot, she didn't have to go through the stress and anxiety.
You don't have
Oh my God. Huh?
He says she's fine, yeah.
Yeah. I'm the one that had to go through the stress anxiety. Boy.
But still, that's her money, so she like, where her money at?
The rough 46 now.
Miss Matthews don't know the side of setup is in the Perkins household.
I know that she doesn't. Still, she probably was irritated.
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
I'm telling you, she didn't care. She don't care. I had to go through the stress anxiety. I'm telling you. No, I wasn't. Everybody always think I'm good. Here we go with this again. I don't know how long it's gonna last.
And somebody I was listening to last night that they see some Russian ship oil.
They off again, Judge?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And then, who knows? And then the people that are in charge of getting these things balanced, they get their paychecks.
Yeah, they're getting paid.
Oh, the upper people.
The Congress and senators, they
Which
get paid.
makes you wonder
There's
how
no
hard
shutdown.
are they working to get it resolved if they're not feeling the sort of people.
Hey, what's up? How you been? What brings you up here?
Okay, go to human resources.
All right.
I got you up there. You been?
I'm good. Well, we're waiting. What's going on with you?
Oh, how's everybody?
Everybody's doing well.
Hey,
How you doing?
How are you?
to see you. All right. Okay.
All right, let's call it. Let's call it. This is the state of Michigan versus Matthew Gibson. Case number SX462017001. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ogletree, good morning to you. State your name for the record and put your appearance on the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, P number 69167, on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, can you state your name?
Matthew Gibson.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gibson. Today is the day set for a trial. Trooper Dang, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Trooper Dang, Michigan State Police. Badge number is 922. I work out of the Metro South Post in Taylor, sir.
All right, very well. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. All right. No resolution, huh?
There's resolution. There's no reduction in the plea. However, the people have no objection to no contest plea for civil liability reasons, Your Honor.
All right. You want to accept that, Mr. You want to accept that, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
You say you do want to accept it?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I understand that.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, I do.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Not at this time.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
And has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, go ahead. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the no contest plea on your client's behalf?
Yes.
And for the record, this no contest plea is taken for civil liability, correct?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to enter a no contest plea based on that stipulation to the as charged offense. We'll treat it as a guilty plea for sentencing. $240. When can you pay it, Mr. Gibson?
Can I have 2 weeks to pay it, sir? I only get paid every 2 weeks.
I'll give you 30 days. March the 20th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. There are other ways. I just give you the two best ways.
Okay, what is the DivDat? How do I get to that? What is it? A website?
I'm told you can upload the app to your phone. DivDat. They're also in the Myers and the other CVS's and things like that.
Okay. I have
all
that
right.
information.
If it's nothing further, Mr. Gibson, be safe. Best of luck to you, and Trooper Dang, you be safe. You as well.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
All right, bye.